From the lush green fields of the American countryside, a farming model is thriving. Free-range chickens alongside it is a modern system for handling and processing, from egg incubation, raising chicks, harvesting, cleaning, grading to packaging. The entire process is automated and tightly monitored to preserve freshness, ensure food safety, and deliver directly to consumers. Each year, this model provides not only billions of fresh eggs, but also firm, flavorful chicken meat. Despite being 3 to 5 times more expensive than industrial chicken, demand keeps rising. That's because these chickens are also the main ingredient for countless familiar dishes, from family meals to global fast food favorites like fried chicken nuggets and even meals. So what makes free-range chicken so special, and how does the journey from a tiny egg to the food on your table really happen? Let's find out together.
The process begins with incubation, carried out right inside the barns with a special method known as on-floor incubation. The floor is covered with a thick layer of sawdust, which serves as bedding, retains heat, and absorbs moisture.
Automatic vacuums gently place carefully selected and cleaned eggs onto the floor, arranging them evenly for air circulation throughout incubation. Temperature is maintained at 2 degrees Celsius and humidity at 10 to 10, replicating the exact environment under a mother hen's wings. After 2 days, eggshells begin to crack and thousands of chicks emerge, filling the barn with cheerful chirping.
Right after hatching, chicks are kept in a brooding area, equipped with heat lamps, drinkers, and dry bedding. Some chicks are sexed to separate males and females. Hens are kept for laying eggs, while roosters are mostly raised for meat. The young chicks are fed finely ground feed made from corn, soybeans, minerals, and vitamins. Spread evenly across the barn, clean drinking water flows continuously through suspended pipes or drip systems.
With a balanced diet, the chicks quickly grow stronger, replacing soft down with full feeders. After just 1 month, the flock is healthy enough to explore the outdoors. When the barn doors open, hundreds of chickens rush out onto the lush green pasture under the morning sun. They scratch the soil, search for insects, and nibble on fresh grass. Natural behaviors rarely seen in industrial flocks.
The sounds of clucking and crowing echo across the fields, creating a lively countryside scene. Thanks to regular exercise and direct contact with the natural environment, free-range chickens develop strong immunity, firm meat, and unique flavor. At night, they return indoors for supplementary feed with grains, soybeans, and minerals to balance nutrition. Barns are cleaned regularly and chicken manure is collected for organic fertilizer. This harmony of nature and science produces healthy flocks with superior egg and meat quality. As hens mature, they begin laying eggs. Farmers prepare clean, comfortable nests to encourage natural laying. On average, each hen lays 2 to 2 eggs per year. Once laid, eggs gently roll into trays or conveyor belts, avoiding cracks and keeping them hygienic. Automated systems then sort by weight and size, handle eggs to detect defects, wash, disinfect, and dry them. Next, each egg is stamped with date and traceability codes before robotic arms pack them into cartons or trays, ready for supermarkets and restaurants. Beyond whole eggs, many farms invest in modern facilities to produce liquid eggs, separating yolks, whites, or blending them together, then packaging in sterile bags for the food industry.
Some factories even automate ready-to-eat products like rolled omelets, where eggs are cracked, beaten, cooked on a conveyor, rolled, sliced, and vacuum-packed for storage.
At 12 weeks old when chickens weigh to the kilograms. They are harvested. Gentle conveyor suction systems gather the birds into ventilated crates for transport to the plant.
Their chickens are hung on steel hooks and moved along processing lanes, stunning hot water, scalding feeder removal, head and feet removal, evisceration, washing, draining, and finally portioning. Chickens are cut into standard parts: breast, thighs, wings, back, and neck, before vacuum packing or sealing into trays with full traceability labels, then stored in cold rooms. From these portions, food processing plants produce nuggets, chicken sticks, and many other ready-to-eat items.
The entire process, mixing, breading, frying, cooling, and packaging, is fully automated. This is how global favorites like nuggets, fried chicken, and famous menu items are made and distributed worldwide. And so you'll just follow the complete journey from farm to table, where free-range eggs and chicken become fresh, safe, and delicious food for families everywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread more amazing stories about modern farming.
Thank you for staying with us until the very end.